Open your air fryer and pour in your popcorn all right into there. Get that popcorn in. Now look at that. You want to just place that popcorn in a nice flat, just like that. Then top it with your vegetable oil. I'm going to do a combination of vegetable oil in there and half a stick of butter right in there. We want to make some delicious butter popcorn. So if you get in here, you can see I have that stick of butter. Then of course, salt is also important. And as you can probably see, but you can't see that much, it is very hot in here because I've been air frying just empty to preheat. Now we're going to take this, ready for it, homemade popcorn made in the air fryer. Place those popcorn kernels right in the air fryer, and we are just going to air fry that at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to give that now about 10 minutes to air fry, and we should soon start hearing popping and delicious popcorn. I mean, I think it's going to work. Do you think it's going to work? Comment below. Do you think it's possible to make popcorn in an air fryer? It smells like a movie theater in here. I'm going to give that a shake. Look at that. All of that popcorn is just completely coated in that butter and oil. I'm going to place it back into here. Now it's important that you take it out of the air fryer once every 2 to 3 minutes. Give it a shake, and soon we should hear popping. Breaking news, I heard our first pop. Is it pop? Okay. Oh wait, I don't hear anything now. Come on, come. Oh, listen. Oh my God, you can hear pop. You can hear pop. That is so loud. Oh. It's popping. It's popping. Oh my God, we have popcorn. It is popping. It's happening all in the air fryer. Okay, I'm gonna let it. All right, I don't hear any more popping. I'm gonna turn it off. Now let's let it cool so it doesn't pop in our face, and then we're gonna open it up. Dun 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 dun. Oh boy, look at that. We have popped our delicious popcorn. Let's give it a try. Let's see, is it as delicious as regular popcorn? Okay, that's good. It's nice and buttery. You have the flavor from the salt. I mean, call it a movie night. Just grab this. You can even hold it like a handy holder. And it is time to watch a movie. I'm telling you, there's nothing you can't make in an air fryer. Air fryers are so versatile. Getting close. I mean, comment below, would you want to eat this popcorn? If you say you wouldn't, I simply don't believe you. You definitely do. Anyone would. Now, I also love to have some chocolate covered popcorn. So all you need to do is just take your chocolate chips, sprinkle it right over the top of that popcorn. And the great part is straight back in the air fryer. The air fryer will do all that melting for us, just right in there. Give that a start, listen to that hum, and all that chocolate will melt, and you'll have chocolate covered popcorn. I think it may have over melted it slightly, but I think it should still be good. Yeah, okay, look at that. We're getting some nice chocolate on there. Just mix that up. Now, these are kind of lightly coated in chocolate. You can obviously do way more chocolate if you like, but I don't know if you need all that sweetness in your life. I feel like me and you, we're sweet enough. So we're just gonna grab a piece of that. I mean, what is better than chocolate covered popcorn? Nothing, I'm telling you. This is a great video. You should give this a try. I support it. I think you'll have fun doing it. I really mean it. Comment down below, what do you want to see me try next in the air fryer? I feel like I'm on a roll at this point. Like, an air fryer is essentially an oven, so you can cook anything you'd ever want in it that you could ever think of or ever dream of, and I'll test it out so you don't have to.